These are calm setups. Their minimalistic style has been taking over social media, and it's time I take part. So today, I'll be turning my setup into a calm setup to see if it actually makes me a better gamer. This is what my setup's looking like right now. Honestly, it's not that bad, but it definitely can use some work, and we can definitely clear up some desk space as well. So without further ado, roll the montage. Now that the setup's complete, I have to pick my peripherals. Now trust me, I know this is good, but my super light is actually broken, so we're gonna have to switch it out. For my keyboard, I have a lot to choose from, but I went with the Yulo 160 because it's probably the fastest one I have. And for the mouse, I went with the Attack Shark SE. Now that we have our peripherals, we can finally move on to testing the games. I'm gonna be playing 3 games, and I have to win in at least 2 of them to complete this challenge. Now to be honest with you, I'm not really sure how this is gonna go, but for my first game, I picked Valorant.
Spike down A.
Now to be honest with you, I wasn't doing too bad in this game. Honestly, for my first time playing it in months, I low-key was doing pretty well. As you can see in some of the clips, I had no idea what I was doing because I'm not too familiar with FPS games. Also, the character I was using I just unlocked, so I didn't know how to use her at all.
One enemy remaining.
But in the end, we ended up getting the victory, and I would count this as a dub. So for game number 1, I would definitely say a calm setup does help you. Now the next game is Call of Duty, and this time I'm a little bit more familiar with it than Valorant, but I was still not trying to get rolled by the Warzone demons, so I queued into a casuals resurgence game, which basically what that means is it's a mixture of bots and one real team. And pretty early into the game, I actually ended up running into them, and this happened.
Hello there.
But luckily I came back and low-key went crazy, even though they were all bots. Now besides them being all bots, I did run into the one team again, and I ended up killing him. And we ended up winning the game, but I don't know if I would actually count this. I would probably give it half a point. The comp setup probably did add to me winning, but not by a lot. So for the next game, we have Fortnite, and this is where it really gets good. Like that, there's our 3rd win. After testing the setup in 3 games, we can finally say a calm setup does make you a better gamer. So who knows, maybe you'll turn your setup into one too, and maybe I'll be the next pro. That was a joke. But if you guys enjoyed, please make sure to subscribe.